Jai Sri Ram. Surrendering to the feet of Sri Rama. Om Apadamapahartaram Dataram Sarvatam Padam Lokabhiramam Ramam Bhogyo Bhogyo Namamyaham Karkate Purvapalgunyam Tulasi Kananodbhabam Panye Vishvambaram Godam Vande Sri Ranganayaki Andal Tiruvadigalé Sharanam. Day 10. Tirupavai Pashuram 10. Notuchuvargam Bohindabam Manai Mattavum Tararo Bajal Tirubadar Natatulai Mudinarayanan Nammal Potta Paradarum Ponniyanal Pandharunal Kottatin Vai Vilda Kumbakaranum Tottubanakke Perundugiltan Tandano Atahanandaludayai Yanangalame Tettamai Bandu Dirivelar Gyambavai Notuchuvargam Bohindabam Manai Mattavum Tararo Bajal Tirubadar Natatulai Mudinarayanan Nammal Potta Paradarum Ponniyanal Pandharunal Kottatin Vai Vilda Kumbakaranum Tottubanakke Perundugiltan Tandano Atahanandaludayai Yanangalabe Tettamai Bandu Dirivelor Gyambavai. Meaning, oh, the girl who is eligible to do the vratam and enjoy the blessings of the Lord, please open the door or talk something. The Lord who wear Tulasi Mala is receiving the prayers from us, is going to fulfill all our dreams. Kumbhakarna, who was killed by Dharmatma Sri Rama, is nothing in front of your sleep. Oh, the girl of the lover of sleep, come on, get up, open the door and join us in the vratam. Om Swasti Prajabhya Paripalayantam Nyayena Margena Mahim Mahisham Gobrahmanebhya Shubhamastu Nityam Lokas Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Sarve Janaha Sukhino Bhavantu Samasta Sanmangalani Bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Jai Sri Ram. Jai Sri Ram.